Looking for the best fleet and truck washing service in the area? Look no further, stop in at Prime Fleet Wash or give us a call. We will come to you. No job is too small, and we pride ourselves on servicing large fleets. And it won't cost you an arm and a leg.
When it comes to maintaining a truck fleet, cleanliness is more than just aesthetics. It's about maximizing efficiency and reducing long-term maintenance costs. What if you could keep your fleet spotless without breaking the bank? Prime Fleet Wash Truck Washing in the Seattle-Tacoma area offers just that, a unique opportunity to keep your vehicles in top condition while saving you time and money. Imagine the impact of a consistent, thorough cleaning regimen that protects your investment, enhances brand image, and ensures compliance with environmental regulations. It's a common misconception that premium care has to come with a premium price tag, but by strategically scheduling regular washes, you can delay wear and increase the lifespan of your fleet without overspending.